Hi friends, it's Miss Sarah. Today we are making limeade. So we will need sugar, and this is the extra fine kind, which melts a little bit more easily. We need a tablespoon to measure. We need a measuring cup that has hot water up to a quarter cup in it. So you want to microwave it for about 1.5 minutes to get it really hot. We need a spoon to stir. We need at least a couple of limes. I grabbed an extra one just in case. We need enough to make 3 tablespoons of juice. We need a knife. We need a juicer, or you can squeeze the limes into a strainer instead. It's up to you. And then we need cold water, 3/4 of a cup of cold water to finish it. All right, so first we get the sugar and our cup of hot water, and we pour 2 tablespoons of sugar into the water. It's a clump in my sugar, probably from the steam. Woo! All right. Okay, now let's stir and melt the sugar. So you see it starts out white, and then we stir it, and it stops being a white gritty powder, and it melts into the water, and it'll become a sticky syrup. Looks very different now. It just looks like water again, right? Okay. So, oops. Now we need a cutting board and our limes. So we want to roll the limes or smash them to try to get them to produce more juice. So this can be kind of hard to do. Limes can be really hard. I think they're usually harder than lemons. At least mine are. So you can beat it with a rolling pin if you want to. That might be an easy way to smash it. Some people put these in the microwave even for a couple of seconds. And we're just gonna smash and roll ours. We'll do 2 of them and see if that's enough. Whew. The littler, darker ones seem to be harder. Okay, now we get to cut them. Use our safety knife. I love these, moms and dads, because they're nylon and you really can't cut yourself with them. All right, now we need to juice. You have to press down and twist. Last one. So we'll pour our juice, 3 tablespoons of juice, into our syrup. It's 1, 2, here's me, 3. And stir. And then we'll pour our hot lime mixture into cold water and stir it up. And now it's ready. You can just pour it over ice. I hope you like it. Bye.